here, we're doing a design, right?
Yeah, it's an undercut hair tattoo. This is for a friend of mine I've just met. We're here from Leeds representing PIRANHA Barber Academy. We deliver barbering qualifications certified by VTCT. We're one of the only barbering academies in the whole country that actually deliver barber qualifications that specialises in afro hair of one of our specialist sectors. We also we're an accredited training provider, so all our qualifications are recognised by the whole of the barbering industry. We have a 28-year pedigree, and that's how long I've been in the industry. I'm a former Wall brand ambassador, Barberless ambassador. I do work for C.O.D.E. I'm a Fudge ex-ambassador for Fudge products. We have a program called Each One Teach One. If you pan over to this. This is about each barber. I'm here today delivering free education to this lady, who is a barber from, where are you from?
From C.O.D.E, West Midlands.
In West Midlands. And I'm doing a quick demonstration and delivering free education to this lady on how we do hair tattoos. And this is the kind of work that we're delivering today. We're also doing and delivering braiding. You come down this side here. Yeah, so we're also doing braiding.
So you actually do braiding yourself as well?
Yeah, my team, the rest of the team are here. Floating around here. We're doing the braiding demonstration also.
How do you find the mobile barbering? Because I do that as well. So what type of obstacles or strengths and stuff do you come across on the team?
So the obstacles that I come across, really, when I go to people's houses, so I'm not in a van or anything like that. The obstacles being like posture and stuff, sometimes they can provide you with like really low chairs and stuff. So obviously bad for your posture, you're constantly leaning over. So I've been considering like kitting a van out so that you've got your kit all set up, you've got your chair, good for your posture.
So who are your main clients? Is it adults or?
No, younger children. I used to work with children, so my target customer is parents and younger children, so like below 5-year-olds. So again, going back to posture, sometimes you can get chairs that are like really small and they're sat on their own little chairs because that's what they're comfortable on. And yeah, you're kind of kneeling down and...
Nice one. Yeah, you can state your name, state your business for the camera.
Sarah, and it's Barbering by Sarah, and I'm from C.O.D.E.
No problem. And where can we follow you on Instagram, YouTube?
Yeah, on Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, what's your Instagram name?
It's Sarah Beckley Mobile Barber.